its steps and planning. So first of all, I would like to introduce our group members. So myself Aravi, Sripriya, Lakshmi, Sadia and Sridhar. So my topic is the meaning of action research for solving problems of teaching and learning of maths. So there are two terms in the word action research, right? Action and also research. Action means something to do for solving a problem in a classroom, and also research means researching for an possible outcome or objective. So we can say that action research is a systematic reflective process, and it is carried out by teachers to identify, understand and analyze a problem and problems, and also they have to solve that problem in their classroom itself. And this term action research is first coined by Kurt Lewin in 1944. And in this simple terms, we can say that action research may be said to be the research of the teachers, for the teachers and by the teachers. And there is one definition by Stephen M. Covey, which is action research is a process for studying the problems by the practitioners, which means the teachers itself, they are acting as practitioners and they have to scientifically solve the problems to take decisions for improving their current practices. And the problems may be included like the problems related to classroom discipline, pronunciation defects in Hindi or English subject, like or the profit and loss of problems in mathematics or any different concept in any different subjects, etc. So we can move to the features of action research. So action research in education is concerned mainly with the school problem, as it is carried on by school personnel to improve their school practices. It is happening in the school classes, though it is like concerned with the school problems, and it is compared with comparison to other educational research. This action research is simple and it is easier to conduct. And the next one is action research is organized investigative activity, and it is aimed towards the study leading to a constructive reflective changes which will for the qualitative improvement of work of the specific endeavor concerned, especially when problematic situation will arise. Okay, it is an investigative activity, like how to solve problems. It's an investigation. Next one is, it is a research designed to find the solution of a felt problem. It is not for a creative, like imagination problem. It is a felt problem. We have to, or the teacher or practitioner have to solve a felt problem, and that demands the investigation and have the direct application in the setting in which the research is conducted. The next one is action research is a type of applied research or decision-oriented research. And the researcher is the practitioner. Previously I told that the researcher or the teacher itself is the practitioner for solving the problems by making decisions, and also have to enjoy its benefit also. And the next one is action research is undertaken to solve an immediate practical problem. It is not only a theoretical thing, it is like a felt or practical problem inside the classroom. And it cannot be solved by ordinary strategies. Like it should be like not by only through proper decisions and also problem solving skill, or it is like a structured manner. It's a structured action research problem. And the goal of adding scientific knowledge is only secondary or even tertiary. So these were the features of action research. Now we can move to the objectives of action research. And it is used to improve the conditions of like various infrastructure facilities inside the classroom or the educational institutions. And it is used to develop scientific attitude among the learners and teachers also, which will motivate you to study problems scientifically before taking decisions about a complicated issue. And it is used to develop democratic attitude among students and also teachers by understanding and solving their problems. And to bring excellence also, to bring excellence in the working style of institutions, we are using this action research. And it is used to develop the ability and insight among administrators to improve and modify the institutional conditions with a scientific output, and it is used to root out the conservative and static environment prevailing in most educational institutions. And it is also used to make educational system capable of generating a healthy environment conducive to learning. And it is also used to raise the level of performance and the level of aspirations of the students. Now we can move to the significance of action research in teaching mathematics. So first one is it will improve the teaching methods. So teachers can avoid, instead of traditional methods, they can use the innovative strategies by including games, activities, technologies, etc. The second one is it will solve the classroom problems, like if a student is lower in performance and also they are having lack of interest, it will the teacher or practitioner himself will identify that and will solve that problem. And the third one is it will enhance the student understanding. It will try to become to make the abstract concept into concrete concept, and also it will encourage the conceptual learning instead of rote memorization or theoretical knowledge. And next one is it promotes reflective teaching, which will the teachers will think about their own teaching. They will reflect upon their own teaching and they will improve their teaching methods. And also they will continuously improve. They will improve day by day. Next one is encourage the student participation. They will build confidence among the students, and also the interactive methods will increase the engagement of students in their classroom. Okay. And next one is it develops problem solving skills. Like students will learn about the logical thinking skills, analytical thinking skills, etc. The next one is it will reduce the mathematics anxiety. Like most of the students will have the fear for maths subject. So the friendly teaching approach of that teacher will make them a good relationship between the student and the maths subject. And the activity-based learning will reduce the fear for that subject. And also it will support individual difference. Like it will help to identify the slow learners in the classroom, and also it provides the targeted support. Now we have discussed the significance or importance of the action research in introducing mathematics classroom. Now we can move to some limitations. So as we can see, the action research is made by the teachers or practitioners. So it is a time-consuming process for the teachers, and also it requires more effort and also a structured planning should be there. And it is limited generalization, which means it is only applicable for one classroom. Okay. So this is the action research proposal, which is mathematics problem solving skill and reading comprehension. And this action research proposal aims to understand the poor mathematics problem skills among the students, which includes the grade 4 students in Sibuktok Elementary School, which is located in Philippines country, and it is due to the limited vocabulary and reading comprehension difficulties. And this proposal outlines like a plan for implementing tutoring by tutoring, and also for including games, activities, etc. And also the manipulatives over 1/4 of students to help them and improve their vocabulary, visualization of like word problems, and also simplifying problems and using trial and error strategies. And the assessment is done by pre and post test scores. And also this goal of this proposal is for like the 100% of students demonstrate to improve their problem solving skills by reducing their vocabulary and